Hi, welcome to parameterize. In this Grasshopper tutorial for premium members, I'm going to explain how you can make a parametric model by defining a series of points. As you can see here, I can change the form here. There's also going to be a series of multiplications, which we can control. You can right-click and randomize it to create random results. Or you can just control it by just clicking and selecting. Maybe this is the minimum maximum here. And randomize it again. So for example, this is the shape. I can define how many sections I have and also extrusion. Okay. I can bake them in Rhino and create the output, which is going to be the first step of this tutorial. After that, we're going to talk about how we can nest them inside a series of sheets and optimize it. As you can see here, I can change the size of the sheet here. And also there is a seed which is going to control different random locations of that. Also the sections has numbers here. So you can see that number on each part. When we want to optimize it, we can simply say double click on this genome. Make this minimize solver. Let's see all of the results. Okay, let's go for the first step, and I'm going to scroll down to the end. This is going to be the worst location of those sections. As you can see here, the sheet is going to be really big, and this is the best in the first step. So if I reinstate that, you can see it here, and this is the area of the sheets minus the area of those parts. That is going to be the waste inside it also included. So if I go forward, you can see that this is going to decrease to this one. And this is like the best situation we can have. And we can use that later if we want to. We can bake those sections and optimize it further. But anyway, this is a tutorial of how you can make this model and also put them in the sheets and optimize it. Okay, let's get started from scratch and learn this step by step.